Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enroll for mobile banking on the New York Community Bank's mobile banking service. So if you want to get enrolled for mobile banking, this is what you need to do. First of all, open up the app that is on your device, and then you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you have to enter certain credentials in order to log into your account. But if you already have an account in the New York Community Bank and have not yet enrolled to mobile banking, tap on the Enroll Now option on the left hand side. After you tap on the Enroll Now option, wait for a certain while until you're directed towards a new interface where you'll have to give in certain credentials in order to enroll to the online banking. So here, you'll have to first of all select whether your account is personal or a business, then enter your social security number. You can also enroll with your account number or your debit card number. Select as per your preference and convenience. Here, I'm just going to leave it to debit card. Then enter your debit card number over here. Also give them the expiration date by choosing the month and then also the year. Give them your date of birth, your zip code, and also confirm that you're not a robot. After doing this, tap on the Enroll button, and as you finish the information that you need to give into the application in order to enroll to the online banking, eventually you'll be able to enroll. So this is basically how it works. Make sure that you're given the correct information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you enrolled yourself by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.